Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox without ID verification. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open the Roblox website as see from here, and after that you need to go to the gear icon on the top right or the settings icon. After that you need to click on the settings, and now from here you need to make sure that you verify your email. So how you actually do that is to add an email address from here, and then they will send you a code. You need to go to your Gmail or your email provider. After that you will find the verification email. You need to just click on verify, and after that you need to come back here and click on verify. Also, if you found the phone number verification from here, you need to add a phone number to verify your phone number. Also, make sure that your age from here is actually plus 18, and after that you need to go to the privacy and content restrictions. You need to go to communication, and now from here you will find voice chat. You need to actually click on it and enable it. If you don't find it, you need to go to the help section from here, and then you need to search for voice chat. As see from here, it will tell you that voice chat is currently available to all eligible 13 plus phone number verified or facial age estimated. Users in these countries can do that. If your country is not included in these countries, users not in these countries should use ID verification. So you can't actually do that if you are not in these countries without an ID. So you need to verify your ID. So that's actually how you enable voice chat without ID in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.